Hey there, fellow creators and entrepreneurs. Today, we are diving into the world of endless possibilities, Fiverr, the ultimate marketplace for talent and creativity. If you're ready to unlock a world of value, you've come to the right place. Fiverr offers a treasure trove of talent and services, spanning across a vast array of categories. Need a stunning logo for your business? Check. Want a captivating voiceover for your video? Check. Looking for someone to build a professional website? Check and check. The value Fiverr brings to subscribers lies in its ability to connect you with skilled professionals who are passionate about bringing your vision to life. It's like having a dream team at your fingertips. Fiverr is an online platform that serves as a global marketplace for freelancers and clients seeking various services. It offers a wide range of services, commonly known as gigs, which include graphic design, writing, video editing, web development, digital marketing, voiceover, and much more. Freelancers, often referred to as sellers on the platform, showcase their skills and expertise by creating gig listings, detailing the services they offer, and their pricing. On the other hand, clients, known as buyers, can search for specific services or browse through different categories to find the right freelancer for their project. Fiverr provides a user-friendly interface that allows buyers to review freelancer profiles, read client feedback, and assess ratings before making a decision. Fiverr is known for its ease of use, affordable pricing, and quick turnaround times for many services. It has become a go-to platform for individuals, businesses, and entrepreneurs looking to outsource tasks and find talented professionals worldwide. Let's talk convenience. With Fiverr, you can say goodbye to lengthy hiring processes and exhausting searches. Their user-friendly platform allows you to effortlessly browse through a pool of talented freelancers, each with their unique expertise. What sets Fiverr apart is the outstanding quality you can expect. With their extensive rating and review system, you gain insights into the experiences of previous clients, ensuring you're making a wise choice.
Fiverr helped me find the perfect graphic designer for my brand. The communication was smooth, and the final result exceeded my expectations.
As a busy entrepreneur, Fiverr has been a game changer for me. I found a fantastic virtual assistant who saved me so much time and hassle.
But wait, there's more. Fiverr's secure payment system and clear project terms give you peace of mind. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, and you only pay when you're happy with the delivered work. You might think such exceptional talent comes with a hefty price, but that's not the case with Fiverr. They offer packages to suit every budget, making it accessible to both large enterprises and small startups. In summary, Fiverr is not just a platform. It's a gateway to a world of value for entrepreneurs, businesses, and creators alike. No matter the project, Fiverr empowers you to find top-tier talent, unlock creativity, and bring your ideas to life. So why wait? Join the Fiverr community today and experience the incredible value that awaits you. That wraps up our review of Fiverr. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of entrepreneurship and creativity. Thanks for watching, and remember, the possibilities are endless with Fiverr.